back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out. Flag is out and we're back underway. Greco going to lead the way down the back straightaway. Out to a big lead now as he pulls away from the 11D is Zachary Dayton. White flag. Down the back straightaway for the final time. And a 3 and 4, no stranger to victory lane here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Shane Greco gets it done in the Legends. Second spot will go to Zachary Dayton. Third spot to Travis Mills. Fourth spot will go to Chris Mills. And Dirk Snuffer rounding out your top 5. Enduros, you should be in the chute for your feature event. Enduros, you should already be in the chute. Well, I miss getting to see this big fella get in this thing. I can't wait to see him get out. Told you it was going to take a minute. If y'all have never been to the circus, it's kind of like watching one of them clowns get out.
Just leave him in the car.
Find his way out of there. The struggle is real. Y'all make some noise for him. Out of Midway, West Virginia, it's Shane Greco. Man's bigger than the car he's standing next to. Some noise for him one more time. Shane Greco in the 33.